exponent. That's right. It is a very, very powerful number, right? Okay, so that's why we read this one like a power. Okay, so 2 to the 5th power, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is, you multiply 2 5 times, right? Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is, that's right, 32. Or you can go from here. Okay, it doesn't matter. Actually, okay, so 2 to the 1st power, which is 2. That's it. Okay. So what about 2 times 2? 2 to the 2nd power. That's 4, right? Okay. So what about this one? 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 3rd power. 8. Wait a minute. So you can see the pattern, right? 2, 4, 8, 16. Hoo-hoo. See? Now 32. The next one is a 64, so on, right? Okay. Then, wait a minute. You can see this way. We go down. Okay. So half of 16. That's right. 8. The half of 8. That's 4. The half of 4 is 2. What is the half of 2? That's right. 1. Oh, wait a minute. 2 to the 0 power? That's 1. That's right. Okay, so, hey, what about for this? Maybe 5 to the 0 power. That's right. That's 1. Okay, what about 100 to the 0 power? Also 1. That's it. Okay, what do you think about 0 to the 0 power? You know what? By this rule, it can be 1 or any 0 power, 0 to the any power, like a 0 times 0 times 0 times how many times? 100 times, still 0, right? Okay, 0 to the 3rd power is 0. So wait a minute. So that means this one can be any number then. Okay, so what I mean is like 1 or 0. That's it. That's why we call this one, that's right, undefined. That means except 0 to the 0 power, then all numbers, any number, okay, maybe 1,000 to 0 power, still 1. That's it. Now the problem is negative number power. That's right, negative power. Okay, 2 to the negative 1st power, which is the half of 1, which is 1 over 2, which is a half. That's it. So wait a minute. What about this one? What is the half of 1 over 2, which is a half of half? Then 1 over 4, right? Which is same as just like this one. 1 over 2 to the 2nd power. That means, this one is 1, this one is 2, so that means, so we can make the rule for this one, right? So now you have, let's say, any number, okay? So 8 to the negative nth power. That means, wait a minute, you can change this one to positive, but 1 over. We call reciprocal, right? Okay, so 8 to the nth power. That's it. So say again. Okay, negative power to the positive power, then 1 over. That's it. Okay, just like this. Then, okay, right here. Okay. Then, we have one rule right here, right? So that's right. We have negative power. Let's say 8 to the negative n power. So nth power actually. Okay, then we can do this way, right? So 1 over, see, whole thing. Then you can change this n to the positive number. That's it. Okay, hey, let's try this one. What is twice of, see, 2 times means twice, right? Twice of 2 to the 3rd power. You know what? Big mistake. A lot of people go like this one. Okay, twice of that one, that means, 2 to the 6th power. No, be careful, okay? So now, this one is 1 power right here. Okay, so that means you totally 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth power. That's right. So 2 to the fourth power. You gotta add this exponent, right? Now, what about this one? Okay, 2 to the third power, then it's 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, this one, fourth power, together, 2 to the seventh power. That's right. Okay, what about this one? 3. 3 means 3 to the first power, which is then 2. So 3 to the third power. That's it. What about this? A. Ooh. A to the third and fifth together make eighth power. Okay, not multiplication, okay? So you don't multiply this one 3 times 5, which is 15. No, be careful, okay? So not a to the 15th power. That's not it. Okay, now, okay, what about this? Okay, x to the fifth power divided by x to the second power. Oh, division. Okay, multiplication, we added, right? Hey, must be subtraction. That's right. See, x to the fifth power minus the second power, which is x to the third power, right? So you subtract. Okay, now, what about this one? Oh, many people make mistake on this one, okay? So 2 to the 10th power divided by 2. So a lot of people go, oh, 2 to the 5th power, how about that? No, be careful, okay, also. So a lot of time they ask this one on the SAT test even, okay? So, hey, so this question, again, okay, 2 to the 10th power minus, this one is the first power, that's why 1, which is, that's right, 2 to the 9th power. Okay. So what do you think about this then? Power to the power. X to the second power, then to the third power. Okay. You know what? You're not going to add this. Oh, be careful. Okay. This one, yes, you just multiply. Okay. So x to the sixth power, not fifth. Okay. So we have to be careful on that one. Okay, one good question right here. SAT or ACT, so wherever. So many places they're asking similar questions like this. Okay, then which side is bigger? Okay, 2 to the second power, then parenthesis, then second power, then parenthesis, then second power, or 2 to the second power, to the second power, to the second power. Oh, wow. Beautiful question. Okay, so now let's try. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so 2 times 2, see? Just like this one, right here, see? So 2 times 2, which is 4, right? Okay, 4, then times 2 again. Okay, so, okay, or you can do it from the inside. Okay, so 2 to the second power means 2 to the second times second, which is the fourth power, right? Okay, then second power, see? Okay, now, okay, then you just multiply these two numbers, which is 2 to the what? 8th power, right? Oh, that's it. Okay, what about this one then? Oh, let's try this one. Okay, 2 to the second power. Oh, that's fourth power, right? Okay, right there. See, these two numbers right there. That's already 4, right? Okay, now, what about 2 to the fourth power? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, 2 to the fourth power, this whole thing right there on the top. Okay, that means 16, right? Oh, that means 2 to the 16th power. Wait a minute. Okay, this one is 2 to the 16th power. This one is a 2 to the 8th power. Wow. So on your left-hand side, 2 to the 8th power, which is what? That's right, 256, right? Okay, 256. How about this? Oh, 2 to the 8th power to the second power. That's why actually this one is a 256 to the second power. Oh, must be a huge number, right? This is it. 65,536. Oh, man, this one is much bigger. Oh, look at this. See, just like that.